Body scan. Hey there, let's take a moment just for you. You don't need to do anything fancy. Just sit or lie down and let's check in with your body. Are you ready? Have you found somewhere comfy to sit or lie to do this exercise? Now close your eyes. I want you to slowly breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Shall we practice? Take a slow breath in through your nose. Hold. 1, 2, 3, and slowly breathe out again. Let's try that again. Breathe in. Hold. 1, 2, 3, and slowly breathe out again. As you breathe, I want you to slowly check in with your body. Let's start by noticing your feet. Slowly wiggle your toes. Can you feel them touching your socks in your shoes or touching the floor? Now move your concentration up your legs. Are they relaxed or a bit tense? No need to change anything. Just notice how you are feeling. As you move up, let's scan your tummy. Is it calm or maybe a bit fluttery? Remember to take those slow breaths in. Hold. 1, 2, 3, and out. Now let's move to your chest. Can you feel it rise and fall as you breathe in and out? As you breathe in and out, let's travel up now to your shoulders. Are they tight or relaxed? Can you slowly rotate them forwards and backwards, or up and down? Now let's draw your attention down to your arms, down to your elbows, and now to your hands. Can you feel your fingers? Give them a wiggle. Finally, your face. Is your jaw clenched, or can you relax it? Remember your breathing. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, and out. That's it. You've checked in with your body. Take one more deep breath in. 1, 2, 3, and breathe out. And when you're ready, gently bring your attention back to the room and open your eyes. You did it. That was great. How do you feel?